like to take a moment to talk about Emily. Emily had a place at university but chose to reject this in favour of working at Milstead Langdon. And that decision led her to Ben. Proof that sometimes life has better plans than ones we map out for ourselves. Emily, Ben, may your marriage be filled with love, laughter and a lifetime of happiness. I'm so proud of everything you've both achieved and can't wait to see what the future holds for you both.
I, Benjamin William Nation.
Take you, Emily Kate Godfrey.
Take you, Emily Kate Godfrey.
To be my wedded wife.
To be my wedded wife.
Benjamin, I give you this ring.
As a sign of our love.
As a sign of our love.
I promise to be faithful.
I promise to be faithful.
Loving and loyal for always.
Loving and loyal for always.
To cherish you.
To cherish you.
Through good times and bad.
Through good times and bad.
And to respect and honour you.
And to respect and honour you.
That you are indeed husband and wife. We are going to clap and cheer, and if you wish, you may kiss. Congratulations.
I'm so grateful for the way everything turned out and couldn't imagine my life any other way. You make every day special and make the mundane fun. Whether that's us dancing to country music while cooking dinner or having a quiet night in with a kebab and a cup of tea. No matter how hard the day has been, the second I see those beautiful eyes and your massive smile, I'm instantly put at ease. I forget about everything. You make me laugh, you challenge me, and you inspire me to be the best version of myself. I can't promise that I'll always get it right, or that I won't leave my dirty clothes on the bedroom floor. But I can promise to love you with everything I have, to be your teammate in everything we do, and to never stop being grateful that you chose me.
From this point on, you both need to know it's not just Ben. And it's not just Emily. It's the two of you together, facing whatever life throws at you. And in this room, you've got all the people who love you both, ready to help, support, and celebrate with you through it all. So Ben and Em, I'm sure everyone will join me in hoping that your life together is filled with love, laughter, and only the occasional it'll be fine moment. Everyone, I'm going to ask you one last time to not only raise your glasses, but to stand up if you can, and toast to Ben and Emily, the bride and groom. Bride and groom.